Hiking deep into the wilderness, far from any sign of civilization, and suddenly you stumble upon something completely out of place, a perfectly preserved staircase rising out of the forest floor. No buildings, no ruins, just a staircase leading to nowhere. It looks pristine, untouched by time or nature, as if someone carefully placed it there for a purpose. But why? These eerie staircases have been reported in forests around the world, sparking questions that blur the lines between reality and the supernatural. Are they relics of forgotten structures, bizarre art installations, or something far more mysterious? Portals to another dimension. The phenomenon of mysterious staircases in forests has intrigued and unsettled adventurers for years. Witnesses describe these stairs as being made of a variety of materials: stone, wood, even iron, ranging from simple designs to grand, spiraling masterpieces. But what's truly unnerving is their pristine condition. No moss, no dirt, and no signs of wear, even in areas where nature should have reclaimed them long ago. How do these staircases remain untouched in the middle of untamed wilderness? One of the most compelling aspects of this mystery is how widespread the reports are. From dense American forests to remote regions in Asia and Europe, hikers and park rangers alike have shared stories of encountering these enigmatic staircases. What's even stranger is the consistency in their descriptions. Lonely, out-of-place structures with no apparent purpose. Some appear ancient, while others look like they were built yesterday. And then there are the rumors. Those who climb these stairs sometimes vanish without a trace or return with no memory of what happened. Theories about the origins and purpose of these staircases range from the mundane to the fantastical. Some suggest they are remnants of old buildings or settlements, their surrounding structures long gone. But this doesn't explain their perfect condition or why they often appear in places where no historical record of habitation exists. Could they be modern creations left by artists or pranksters? Perhaps, but why would someone go to such lengths to create something so elaborate in a place where almost no one would see it? For those who lean toward the paranormal, the staircases are far more than just forgotten relics. Some believe they are gateways to other dimensions, points where the boundaries between realities thin. The idea of thin places is rooted in folklore, where certain locations are said to connect our world with others. If these staircases are such gateways, could they be the reason behind the strange disappearances often reported in forests? Missing person cases in national parks and wilderness areas add an unsettling layer to this mystery. Every year, thousands of people vanish without a trace in the woods, leaving behind no evidence of where they went. Some believe these staircases might be connected to those disappearances, serving as portals that transport the unsuspecting to places unknown. This theory, while chilling, raises more questions than answers. If these staircases are portals, who or what built them, and where do they lead? Adding to the intrigue are the accounts of those who have dared to climb the stairs. Many report feeling an overwhelming sense of unease, as if they were being watched. Others describe strange sensations, dizziness, nausea, or a sudden disconnection from reality. A few claim they experienced flashes of light or glimpsed strange landscapes at the top of the stairs, only to find themselves back in the forest moments later. Could these experiences be hallucinations, triggered by fear or natural phenomena? Or are they glimpses of something beyond our understanding? Skeptics argue that these staircases are nothing more than remnants of human activity, abandoned structures, old hunting stands, or remnants of logging operations. While this explanation might account for some of the staircases, it doesn't explain the uniformity in their pristine condition or the eerie experiences reported by those who encounter them. It also doesn't address why no other structures, walls, foundations, or ruins are found nearby. The idea of staircases as portals is not without precedent in mythology and folklore. Across cultures, stairs are often associated with the journey between worlds, whether it's the stairway to heaven in Christian tradition or the symbolic steps leading to enlightenment in Eastern philosophies. Could these forest staircases represent a modern manifestation of these ancient beliefs? If so, are they natural phenomena we don't yet understand, or are they deliberately constructed by forces unknown? Modern technology has added a new dimension to this mystery. Paranormal investigators and curious hikers have used drones, infrared cameras, and electromagnetic field detectors to study these staircases, hoping to find clues. While some have captured anomalies, such as temperature fluctuations or unexplained light sources, none of the evidence has been conclusive. The lack of definitive answers only deepens the allure of the mystery. One of the most unsettling theories is that the staircases are traps deliberately placed by malevolent entities to lure unsuspecting victims. This idea is rooted in ancient folklore about places and objects that attract and ensnare humans, leading them to their doom. If these staircases are such traps, their pristine appearance and unnatural location could be part of their allure, drawing people in with curiosity and intrigue. The emotional impact of encountering a staircase in the forest is another layer to this enigma. Witnesses often describe feeling a mix of awe and dread, as if the structure doesn't belong in our reality. This emotional response could be a clue to their true nature, suggesting that these staircases resonate with something deep within the human psyche, a sense of mystery, danger, and the unknown. So, what do we make of these mysterious staircases? Are they relics of a forgotten past, modern art installations, or portals to realms beyond our understanding? The lack of concrete evidence means the truth remains elusive, but the questions they raise keep us fascinated. They remind us that even in an age of advanced technology and exploration, there are still mysteries lurking in the shadows waiting to be discovered. If you ever find yourself hiking in a remote forest and stumble upon a staircase leading to nowhere. What would you do? Would you climb it, risking the unknown, or leave it undisturbed, its secrets intact? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the world's strangest mysteries. The answers might be closer than we think, or they might be waiting at the top of the stairs.